In a world filled with endless possibilities and untapped potential, there lived a young individual named Alex. Unlike most people who settled for mediocrity and played it safe, Alex had a burning desire to unlock their true potential and make a meaningful impact on the world. This is not just another story, it is a journey of self-discovery, resilience, and unwavering determination. So, buckle up and prepare to be inspired as we delve into the extraordinary tale of Alex's personal development. Imagine a city that stood tall with skyscrapers that kissed the heavens, its streets buzzing with people chasing dreams and aspirations. Amidst this vibrant chaos, Alex found themselves feeling lost and unfulfilled. They yearned for something more, something beyond the mundane routines that dominated their life. It was in this moment of self-realization that Alex decided to embark on a transformational journey towards self-discovery. Instead of starting our story with, "Once upon a time," let us begin with a powerful declaration. In a world where dreams are the currency of success, Alex dared to dream bigger than anyone else. With an insatiable thirst for knowledge, Alex dove headfirst into books, seminars, and online courses on personal development. They devoured every word, absorbed every lesson, and implemented these teachings in their daily life. It was not an easy path, as challenges and setbacks lurked at every corner, ready to test Alex's determination. One day, while attending a motivational seminar, Alex stumbled upon an enlightening quote: "The only limit to your success is the extent of your imagination." These words struck a chord deep within Alex's soul. It was a powerful reminder that they were the architects of their own destiny, capable of creating a life beyond their wildest dreams. Motivated by this newfound realization, Alex began to explore various areas of personal development. They engaged in activities that pushed their boundaries, stepping outside their comfort zone to face their fears head-on. Whether it was public speaking, learning a new skill, or taking on leadership roles, Alex's commitment to personal growth knew no bounds. However, as Alex immersed themselves in the pursuit of personal development, they encountered hurdles that tested their resolve. Doubt and self-criticism started creeping in, casting shadows of uncertainty on their path. It was during these moments of vulnerability that Alex discovered the power of resilience. In a world where failure is often seen as a dead end, Alex reframed their perspective and embraced failure as an essential stepping stone towards success. They realized that every setback was an opportunity for growth, a chance to learn, adapt, and emerge stronger than before. Alex's resilience became an unstoppable force, propelling them forward on their personal development journey. As time went by, Alex's dedication and determination bore fruit. They witnessed their personal and professional life transform in unimaginable ways. From forging deep connections with inspiring individuals to achieving milestones that once seemed impossible, Alex's journey became a testament to the power of self-belief. It was in the face of adversity that Alex made a profound discovery. True personal development begins when you stop looking for external validation and start believing in your own potential. This realization fueled their passion even further, as they understood that their growth was not dependent on the opinions of others but on their unwavering faith in themselves. Years passed, and Alex's story became an inspiration for countless others seeking personal development. Through their YouTube channel, they shared their experiences, wisdom, and insights, empowering individuals from all walks of life to pursue their dreams fearlessly. Alex's impact extended far beyond the boundaries of that bustling city. Their powerful message resonated with millions around the globe. And now, my friends, as we come to the end of this extraordinary tale, remember this: you are the author of your